Yes, student, if the hardness is present in the water, then it does not gives foam, okay, but it forms precipitate with the soap solution. Okay, now why? It is because the sodium present in soap is replaced by the calcium and magnesium, okay, present in the water. Thus it gets precipitate. So if we try to remove the substance which is responsible for hardness of water, then what? Then the water will become soft water. Therefore, the first one, method of removal of temporary hardness of water. Student, temporary hardness of water is due to soluble impurities of what? Bicarbonates. Of what? Bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. So when water is boiled, okay, the soluble carbonates converts into soluble bicarbonates. Okay, important thing is what? Soluble bicarbonates. Okay, right here what? Bicarbonates converts into insoluble carbonates. Okay, the bicarbonates convert into insoluble carbonates. Then the carbonates are what? Filtered. Thus soft water obtained. Like I can write reaction here: CaHCO3 twice, or you can write MgHCO3 twice. Okay, this is called calcium bicarbonate, this is called magnesium bicarbonate. Now the hardness is due to presence of what? These are soluble substance remains in water. So when it is getting heated, that is boiled, now the soluble forms convert into insoluble form, forming what? Their respective carbonates, like calcium carbonate, and it forms what? Magnesium carbonates. Okay, along with water, etc. Now these are what? Insoluble substance. What is that? Insoluble. So now the water is simply filtered. Okay, and after filtering, we can get what? Pure or soft water. H2O plus CO2 is common. Okay. Thus now the content responsible for hardness is getting removed. Which one? The calcium content and the magnesium content, it is getting removed. Thus now water can act as soft water. Second one is removal of permanent hardness of water. Removal of permanent hardness of water. So earlier we have checked, okay, what? Permanent hardness is due to presence of what? Chlorides and sulfates. Of what? Again metal, calcium, and what? Magnesium. Okay, and these are what? these are soluble, water soluble content. These are what? Soluble content. So even if we boil it, it cannot convert into insoluble form. Therefore, to treat, that is to remove the permanent hardness of water, that is what calcium and magnesium from it requires a specific technique. Okay, so it is removed using what? You all know what, beta? Washing soda. What? Washing soda. You know what is washing soda? Washing soda is what? Na2CO3. So when the permanent hard water is treated with washing soda, okay, now the soluble form converts into insoluble form. Okay, how it is? Let the hardness of water is due to what? Calcium and magnesium of what? Chlorides and what? Sulfates. I am writing two reactions only. So when we add washing soda, that is Na2CO3, and then it is little heated, now the calcium will convert into CaCO3 and the magnesium will also convert into MgCl2. Earlier they were what? Soluble. They are what? Soluble. So this soluble is getting converted, MgCO3 into what? Insoluble form. And now these insoluble materials, okay, can be what? Filtered using the filter paper. Okay, this is Mg Na2SO4. Na2SO4. So this can be removed by the filtering process. Thus now the water remains, will not have any content of calcium and magnesium. Okay, so becomes soft water. Okay, so student, here are the notes about it. You have already dealt all these topic in your previous classes. Very easy contents are there.